In this video, I will show you how to cancel your CapCut Pro subscription. So what you need to do is when you're on the app right here, and you can see I already canceled it, but there will be a button right here that says, like it will show your subscription for CapCut Pro. Press on that, and then a pop-up will come up, and then it will show auto renewal, and then right beside auto renewal, it will say cancel. Another way you could do this is if you go to CapCut login, search up CapCut login, press sign in. Once you're signed in, you'll see this home page. Press on your profile, and then it will be the same button that you saw over here with your CapCut Pro subscription. Click on that, and then it will show auto renewal again, and then you could click cancel. And that's basically it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.